If you've tried strict diets, intense workouts, even skipped meals, yet that stubborn belly fat still clings on, listen up. Tonight, I'm sharing a 2-teaspoon nighttime remedy that works while you sleep. It's made from simple, natural ingredients, but it's backed by science to fire up your metabolism, balance your hormones, and help you burn fat overnight. Why this works? Here's the truth. Most people focus on weight loss only during the day, but your body burns, or stores, most of its fat at night. If your insulin and cortisol are high before bed, your body will store fat, especially around your belly. But when you trigger the right metabolic signals before sleep, your body shifts into fat-burning mode, even while you dream. This remedy works by activating fat-burning enzymes, boosting thermogenesis, your body's calorie-burning furnace, balancing hormones like cortisol, insulin, and leptin so your body can shed fat naturally. Why night matters. During deep, quality sleep, your body releases growth hormone. This maintains muscle mass and mobilizes fat stores. Your insulin drops, your body moves toward fasting mode, and fat breakdown kicks in. If you give your body the right support before bed, you can maximize this process and wake up leaner. Ingredients and AMP benefits. 1. Ground flax seeds, 1 teaspoon. Rich in omega-3 ALA for mitochondrial health, high in fiber to improve gut health, reduce inflammation, and rebalance hormones, especially estrogen. 2. Turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon, supports fat oxidation, reduces fat cell inflammation, and improves insulin sensitivity. 3. Ceylon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon, balances blood sugar and boosts nighttime thermogenesis. 4. Ashwagandha powder, 1/4 teaspoon, an adaptogenic herb that lowers cortisol, reduces inflammation, and improves deep sleep. 5. Black pepper, pinch, enhances turmeric absorption for maximum fat-burning benefits. 6. Virgin coconut oil, 1 teaspoon, a healthy fat to mix everything together and improve nutrient absorption. How to prepare: warm, don't heat, 1 teaspoon virgin coconut oil. Add 1 teaspoon ground flax seeds, 1/4 teaspoon Ceylon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon ashwagandha powder, pinch of black pepper. Mix into a paste. When in AMP, how to take it: enjoy this remedy 45 to 60 minutes before bed. This timing lets it absorb into your system, balance your hormones, and start working by the time you're asleep. Do this consistently for 1 to 2 weeks and you may notice your belly feeling flatter in the morning, without extra workouts or starving yourself. Remember, the real weight loss magic happens when your hormones work with you, not against you, and this nighttime remedy helps make that happen. If you're ready to wake up leaner, try this recipe tonight and tell me in the comments what changes you notice. And if you found this helpful, tap the like button, subscribe for more science-backed natural weight loss tips, and share this with a friend who's been struggling with stubborn belly fat.